Hello, this is a practice video for how to account for a lot of the particles, subatomic particles, and a lot of the terminology of an atom. This is the first of these videos. We're going to deal with neutral elements in the beginning here, neutral atoms, and then we'll venture into charges as a challenge at the end of this worksheet. The subsequent video will deal with those charged atoms, those ions. So I'm going to do this first one, and then I'm still going to do the second one, but I'm going to give you time to try to answer it yourself first before I give you the answer. So, first one, I've got the atomic symbol notation with the symbol Li. Li is lithium. So, eventually your periodic table will look as pretty as this. Find lithium up here, Li, lithium. Atomic number 3, and you can see that on your symbol notation here. So atomic number, mass number, symbol. So isotope notation, I want the long element name, so write it out from the periodic table. It is lithium. Then you want a dash. It's not a minus sign, it's not a negative, it's just a dash. And isotope notation demands that you use the mass number, the combination of the mass of protons and neutrons. An atomic symbol has that written right here in the upper left-hand corner. So this is lithium 7. Symbol notation, symbol isotope. You could also put the shorter version, Li7, but I definitely want the long one just so you get used to the names. Alright, so atomic number, mass number. Atomic number is 3, so drop that down to atomic number. If you know the atomic number, you know the number of protons, because atomic number is the number of protons. So, atomic number 3, protons are 3. Overall charge, there's nothing there. So when there is nothing there, that means there's actually a 0, meaning neutral, no charge. So the overall charge is 0, and that is neutral. Alright, first time we're seeing these words, potentially, is anion and cation. Cation, see the T in there? That T helps me remember that cations are positive. The T in cation for the positive sign. Anion, you don't have a T, so that's your negative. Cation, the other way, a silly way I remember this, is cats destroy everything. Wait, no. Whatever. I'm not going to stop the video. I was thinking of something else in science. Catabolic reactions. Forget that. Cation, positive charge. The other silly way of remembering this is cats have paws, and paws positive. So cations have paws, positively charged. Whatever. Overall charge is neutral. So overall charge was the result of protons minus electrons. So we know protons, and we know the overall charge is 0. So protons minus electrons equals 0. We know protons is 3, so 3 minus what equals 0? 3 minus 3 would equal 0. So we know we have 3 electrons. 3 positive charges, 1, 2, 3, canceling out, 3 negative charges. That cancels that one, that cancels that one, that cancels that one, leaving us with a neutral charge. Neutrons, well, the mass number is the total of the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So we can go 3 plus what equals 7. 3 plus neutrons equals 7. 3 plus what number equals 7? Alright, well 3 plus 4 would equal 7. The other way you can do this, and it's nicely set up in this notation, is take the mass number minus the proton numbers. You can just do the math right there. 7 minus 3 is 4. It gives you your neutron count. Alrighty, let's try another one. Na. Na is on the left side of your periodic table as well. Right here, Na for sodium. So isotope notation using the long element name, sodium. And pause the video and insert the mass number for your isotope. Hopefully you paused it. And you wrote dash 23. Next up, atomic number. Where in the atomic symbol is the atomic number written? Press pause and insert that into this box. Hopefully you went to the bottom left-hand side. Atomic number 11. If you know the atomic number, what other subatomic particle do you know? Press pause and fill it in. Good. Atomic number equals proton number. So you've got an 11 there. All right. Let's fill in overall charge. Overall charge is located in the upper right-hand corner. There's nothing there. Therefore, what is the overall charge? And is it neutral, negatively charged anion, or positively charged cation? Hopefully you said it is an overall charge of 0, making it neutral. In order to make it neutral, those 11 positive protons are going to be canceled out by how many electrons in order to equal a charge of 0? So 11 minus what number equals 0? Fill in your electrons. 11. So every time you see neutral, you're always going to see electrons equaling protons. Last piece for us to do together here is determining the number of neutrons. So what part of our atomic symbol up here do we need to know about in order to figure out the neutrons? Go ahead and do that math for me. Pause the video and then resume. I don't know what I'm humming. Neutrons! Alright. Mass number, 23, is the sum total of protons and neutrons. So we know we have 11 AMU coming from our protons, so 11 plus what number equals 23? 11 plus 12 would equal 23. Solve it the other way just to make sure. Mass number minus proton number. So 23 minus 11 equals 12. Good. 12 neutrons. Alright, the rest of this document is yours to do. There are, I think, 3 pages on this document. Check with people around you, see how well you're doing, and check in with me at the end. The last of them are the most challenging, and they're kind of foreshadowing what I'll teach you next. Good luck.